So in the last video, we talked about actually creating a document. So this is a new blank document that we just made. In this video, we're going to talk about how we actually open up an image and bring it into Photoshop. Very often, you'll be downloading images from the internet or from your camera and opening them up in Photoshop to then edit later. So there's a couple of ways we can do this. One is to go File, Open, and we'll find different images on our computer. So I'll find this one and click Open. And as we can see, it's opened up the image and it's ready for editing. Now this can be useful if you need to make some small changes to a photo and then you're just saving the photo the same way it was before. So for example, I'm just going to change like the color or something like that on this image and then I'll save it. That's fine. But typically, and by typically I mean about 90% of the time, you're actually going to be placing images into an already existing document. In this case, I'm going to go File, Place Embedded, find the image, so that same spaceman image, and hit Place. And as you can see, it has placed the image in our document. Now this is the route that we're going to be taking, like I said, the vast majority of the time in this class. And the reason for this is because we can place multiple images. I'll just show you very quickly. File, Place Embedded. I'll get another image and pop it in. So this is great for creating a collage or editing photos together, which commonly that's what you'll be doing. It's pretty rare unless you're taking actual photography to just open up an image, edit it, and then close that image without bringing in other pictures. Okay, I'm going to step back a few steps. Go back to File, Place Embedded. I'll find our spaceman and click Place. And notice whenever I place this image, it has this X across it, this real faint X. And it has these little squares on the corners and at the midpoints, so the top and the sides. This is because currently this image has not been placed. It's in what's called a transform mode. So that means I can move it around. I'm able to scale it up and down. I can even rotate it. I'll be showing you how to do all of these things later. But most importantly, it's not actually in my document yet. It's not in my document until I either hit Return or Enter on my keyboard, which will then confirm and place this image, or I click this check mark at the top of my screen. Once I do that, notice that the box and the diagonal lines disappear, and the image is officially placed into my document. Now Photoshop will not let you do anything else until you actually confirm that this image is placed. So if I try to place this, and let's say I go click on my brush tool to start painting, it's going to ask me, do you want to place the file? So this is another alternative method of placing it. I'll click Place, and it's in our document. We can still go back and transform this and edit it, change its size, etc. But this is one of those little finicky things that Photoshop does that a lot of people get tripped up on their first time.